Finally, I consider this as done. So, ang title nito ay The Inner Circle. These are a group of professionals. They are my friends that has been uniquely characterized. May logo. My signature is here. I am happy with the result. This is a 100 by 100 cm acrylic painting on canvas.